Most people think passive income means doing nothing and getting paid. That is a lie. And the people selling that dream, they are making their passive income from selling it to you. Today I want to show you what passive income actually is, how it really works, and the one thing every guru conveniently leaves out. Stay until the end, because that last part is what changes everything. Let's start with the myth. Passive income has become one of the most abused phrases on the internet. You've seen it. Courses promising you $10,000 a month while you sleep, drop-shipping empires built in a weekend, dividend portfolios generating freedom in 90 days. Here's the truth nobody puts in the thumbnail. Passive income is not passive at the start. Every single income stream that eventually runs on autopilot required one of three things first: time, money, or both. Think about it this way. A rental property generates passive rent, but someone had to save the down payment, find the property, arrange the mortgage, handle the paperwork, and deal with the first broken boiler at 11 p.m. on a Sunday. A YouTube channel generates passive ad revenue, but someone had to research, script, film or produce, edit, optimize, and upload for months before a single cent arrived. A dividend portfolio generates passive quarterly payments, but someone had to build the capital first, which took years of consistent investing. The work is not eliminated, it is moved to the front. Here's the most honest definition I can give you. Passive income is delayed payment for work you have already done, or for capital you have already deployed. That's it. Write a book once, earn royalties for a decade. That is passive, but the book still had to be written. Build a stock portfolio over 10 years. The dividends that arrive every quarter are passive, but 10 years of monthly contributions came first. Create a course once, sell it 1,000 times. Passive, but the course creation, the marketing, the platform setup, those were active. Most people quit in the active phase, before the passive phase even starts. And that is what the gurus don't tell you, because if they did, fewer people would buy the course. So what does real passive income actually look like? There are four main categories. Number one, investment income, dividends, interest, index fund growth. You deploy capital, the market works for you. The bigger the capital base, the bigger the return. This is the most genuinely passive of all four, but it requires the most capital upfront. Number two, rental income. Real estate, renting equipment, renting intellectual property through licensing. Once the asset is in place and managed, income arrives without active effort. The upfront cost, financial and operational, is high. Number three, digital asset income. Online courses, ebooks, templates, stock photography, YouTube ad revenue. Low upfront capital, but high upfront time. These scale beautifully once built. A good YouTube video can earn money for 5 years. Number four, business systems income. A business that runs without your daily involvement. This is the most complex to build, but the highest ceiling. Think software with recurring subscriptions, or a content brand like this channel that runs on a repeatable production system. The two most accessible for someone starting from zero are investment income, starting with as little as $100 a month, and digital assets, which can be started with nothing but time. Here is what nobody shows you, the real timeline. Month 1 through 12, almost nothing. You are building. You are planting seeds in soil you cannot yet see. Month 12 through 24, small signals. A dividend payment here, a course sale there, a video that keeps getting views. The numbers are not impressive yet, but they are proof the system works. Month 24 onward, compounding begins. Each income stream reinforces the next. The portfolio grows, the content library deepens, the business runs more smoothly. This is where the curve goes up, and why people who started 2 years ago seem to have it so easy now. The uncomfortable truth is this: most people give up in month 3. Not because the strategy doesn't work, but because month 3 looks exactly like month 1, and they expected month 24.
So here is what I want you to take away from this video. Passive income is real. It works, but it is not a shortcut. It is a delayed reward for consistent action taken now. The most dangerous thing you can do is spend your active energy consuming passive income content instead of building your own passive income system. Start small. Start today. $100 into an index fund, one piece of content created, one asset built. The curve starts flat. It always does. But it does not stay flat. Most people spend years chasing passive income without ever understanding the one mechanism that actually creates it. That's what the next video is about. Compound interest isn't complicated, but once you truly get it, you'll never look at your money the same way. It's queued up for you.